I'm the letter Q. Let's hear my story.
In a pretty palace sat a kind queen. A tiny quail walked up to her. It chirped. The queen smiled and said,
You're a quiet little friend.
She gave the quail some seeds, and they spent the morning together.
That was so much fun. I hope you liked my story. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time. Hello, everyone. I'm the letter R. Let's hear my story.
Robbie the rabbit hopped through the garden and saw a bright red rose. He touched the petals gently and smiled.
It smells lovely.
He didn't pick the rose because he remembered his mother said,
Never pluck flowers. That was so much fun. I hope you liked my story. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.